Hello Crafty Friends, Design Team Brandy here, and I'm super excited to share some new items from the June release that just went live in the shop. Now that it's summer, that means it's time for popsicle season. This new die set will help you create 4 different characters in popsicle form. You have the underground character, the spiky character, the bird character, and the underwater character. The dies also pair with the popsicle season stamp set, so let's start working on assembling these dies. First, we have the underwater character, and here are the pieces die cut out that we need to use to assemble him. Now let's create our bird popsicle. Here are the pieces that you'll need die cut out. Now let's work on our underground friend. Here are the pieces die cut out that you'll need to assemble him. And last but not least, let's work on our spiky friend. Here are the pieces die cut out that we'll need to use to assemble. And here are all the popsicles assembled. Let's create a card using one of them. So I have my A2 panel that I die cut out from my Card Basics die set. And I have my Aloha Stencil that I'm going to blend onto it. I have my sentiment that I heat embossed onto a piece of cardstock that I used from the Popsicle Season stamp set. Now let's assemble the card. Now here is the completed card. If you have any questions on how to assemble any of the popsicles, comment down below or message me in the Facebook group. Happy crafting!